everybody, amprepairguy.com, also harbachellectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Phone number is 203-892-4119. So we have another Ameritron Al80b in for repair. Customer wants me to go through it, do all the revisions. So I'll show you everything I see right off the bat. Needs the gas discharge tubes. The socket does not have them. I'll have to remove the metal oxide varistors. Has the old pink resistors. Looks like one's damaged, so I'm going to unsolder it, make sure it's within tolerance. If it's not, then I'm going to talk to him about changing the capacitors. If it is, then I will just swap them out with better resistors, because these are good caps. So those not only act like bleeders, but they're also equalization resistors, so they keep the voltage equalized across each cap, because all the caps are in series. Okay, so the SO239s have to be replaced. Look, there's like no grip at all, none, zero zip. So I'll change those out with new ones from MaxGain Systems, awesome company. Great people over there. This is getting a brand new Pentalab tube. He said he wanted a new one, so that'll get drop shipped to him. I have one here I can test it with, so that's about it for now. So I think this was made in 2001. Okay, so I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe once again. To show you something real quick. So this is wired for 240. I always check the fuses, and I'm going to ask him what his line voltage is so I can adjust the buck boost if need be. So when it's on 240, it gets 10 amp fuses. It actually has 10 amp slow blow fuses. They're supposed to be fast blow. So it's really critical to have the proper size fuse and have the buck boost set properly, because you don't want to take out the plate transformer if you have a short on one of the secondaries of the transformer. Right, so I will be back. See you soon. Okay, so I'm all done with the amplifier. Customer wanted a test on 40 meters. So I'm going to show its operation. So you know the drill. 1 kW slug, it's on PEP. It's on 40 meters. See high voltage. Reflect. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Audio hello, hello. Shh, shh, shh. 1 kW right there, 1 kW, about 60 or so watts. Audio. Shh, 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 shh. Hello, hello. High voltage. And that's about it. So I'll continue testing it up to 10 meters. I already did 160, 80, 40, so now I need to do 20, 15, 10. And I'll let it cool down, take the cover off. I'll let the high voltage bleed down, take the cover off, and show you what I did on the inside. So stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I have the cover off. I'll show you what I did. So the pink resistor was open. So I replaced all 8 resistors, replaced all of the caps, because the cap that it was in parallel with was damaged. These are 10 watt 50K resistors. Comes with 7 watt ones, but these are better. Placed the SO239s with brand new ones from MaxGain Systems. Awesome company, great people over there. And these are Teflon dielectric, great connectors. So replace the slow blow fuses with 10 amp fast blow fuses, because this is wired for 240. Customer said he has 242 volts, so I left the buck boost alone. Clean the TR/bias relay with deoxit gold. Soft start relay with deoxit gold. Fixed some solder joints, tightened up on some hardware. The grid connections for the socket have been connected directly to ground. Holes are already there, why not? The nuts below the socket were loose, so were the ones on top of the sockets. They're all nice and tight now. Added the gas discharge tube on each side of the filament. Again, the reason why I install those is to protect the dynamic bias circuit. I removed the metal oxide varistors, put a longer screw in it. Check the air variable capacitors and the plate and the load. Tighten up on all the hardware. This one was actually loose also, so I think that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, please feel free to give me a call. And it's got a brand new Pentalab tube, got drop shipped to the customer. This is just my test tube in here. So those are just great people over there. Really, really good people. Excellent warranty. Can't say enough good stuff about them. They are just top-notch operation over there. So if you need an amp repaired, one you see on my YouTube channel, please feel free to give me a call. I'm waiting on parts for the multi-band amp. I don't know why they're not showing up. The Canadian Post Office had a strike, and that delayed everything. So Jim sent me 2 sets so far. So they're just not. They haven't showed up yet. I'm waiting on payment for the 30L1. That's why it's still here, and I'll put it back together. So again, please like, share, and subscribe. And one last thing, once I'm done with that multi-band amp, I'll be taking, for out-of-country people, I'm going to make PA similar to that every now and then, and I plan on getting to work on my solid-state PA I have here, the military Collins one, so that'll be coming up next after that amp. Just one project at a time when I have free time and motivation to work on this kind of stuff for myself. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. Now it's time to fill some Harbach orders. So have a great day, and the next amp is a Dentron. So I'll have a Dentron on the bench next. So as long as it's not messed up too bad, I'll have a video on it, and I'll fix it and make it better than new. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. 73.